Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I know it's kind of late, but I wanted to do this really quick tutorial over how I design this in Canva. Okay, so let's get into this thing. So I'm going to use the same exact background, but let me check one thing. Okay, alright. So I am going to go to Elements and I'm going to choose Recently Used. Um, so I actually need this one first. I need to put this to the back. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. So I am working in Canva, okay? So I can't go all the way to the ends. See, that's why I can't go to the end. So I'm going to bring this over some. Perfect. That'll work. So now what I'm going to do to this right here, the money, is I'm going to turn down the transparency. So I'm going to go to 50-ish. Okay. So make it look like that the money is in the wall. Okay. So now I'm going to bring this over. And I'm going to have to scoot it over. Make it a little smaller. Alright. Okay. So I got to see what all I did. Okay. So now I'm going to go to text. And I'm going to type in millionaire. Type in millionaire. And I'm going to make it big. Okay. I think I just may use this font. Or should I do it exactly like I had it? So I am going to go and choose signature because this is what I used before. And there. I-R-E. Alright. So I need to actually make it bigger. And that's where I'm going to leave it. So I'm going to move this up out of my way. So I am going to type in mindset. Alright. I'm going to make it bigger. So I gotta make sure that I can go some more. Let's see. That's perfect. Alright. So I gotta go back and look and see what I did. So I'm actually gonna change the font on this one. Yeah. I think I want this millionaire mindset. Or should I go? Okay. Is this what I did? Yeah. Alright. So that's fine. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Effects. I'm going to choose the outline. And I'm going to go up to about 55. And I'm going to change that color to this one. Okay. And so before I even do that one, I need to go back to, no, go back. And I need to do my money sign. Okay. So this is going to be, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Effects, Outline. I'm going to do white. But I'm going to go up to 55 on there. It just makes it pop a little bit more. Okay. And I'm going to bring Millionaire down. So I'm going to actually bring Millionaire to the front. So I need to go to Position. Bring it forward. So that my placement will be exactly where I want it. Excuse my phone. It's just doing what it want to do. Okay. So now I'm going to add the outline again. But I'm going to go ahead and bring it up to 55. And I'm going to change it to white. Okay. Oh, now that's cute. That's real cute. Alright, so now I've got to add a lady to this thing. Okay. So I do have some ladies that I've uploaded. But let me see. Let me see if I want to do her or if I want to go with the other lady that I had. So this actual image of this lady is a copyright. So you have to purchase this. She comes with in a set of some more ladies. So you have to purchase that from Etsy. But I'm going to go to projects. You won't have this because I created me some folders. So I'm going to go to folders. So I always upload some of my things that I have purchased and added into Canva. That way I can use them. Okay. So let me see if she will work. She's not giving, so I can't use her. Okay. So I'm going to use her. I'm going to use her. Okay. So let me see. Alright. So what I did was I ended up, okay. Moving that over. And yeah. That's perfect. But alright. That's it. That's perfect. So that's how I create